A replica set is one of Kubernetes' most powerful reliability tools. What happens when your pod crashes at midnight or 2 a.m. and nobody is watching? Nothing restarted, your app is just down. In next 2 minutes, you will know exactly how ReplicaSets keep your application live automatically. A replica set is a Kubernetes controller. It has only one job: keep a specific number of pod copies running all the time. First, you declare your desired replica count. For example, I want 3 pods running. The replica set watches your pod continuously and in real time. If one of the pod crashes, a replacement is pinned up instantly. No manual work, the cluster heals itself. Here is the reconciliation loop works. Your Kubernetes manifest YAML file defines the desired state, say like 3 replica is 3. The controller counts the actual running pods using a selector and compares. Too few pods, or if some pod is crashed, it creates more from the template. Too many pods, it deletes the extra. This loop runs for forever and your count stays exactly right. Here is the golden rule: never create a replica set directly in production. Always use deployment instead, and deployment manage your replica set for you, giving you like rolling updates, rollbacks, and full version history. Replica set is the engine, but deployment is the car, and drive the car. So replica sets are how Kubernetes self-heals. Now you know why pods never stay dead. Have you ever manually restarted a crashed pod before finding Kubernetes? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe for more Kubernetes videos. Thank you for watching.